Okay guys, let's get to know our vocabulary for the week. We're going to use context clues as we read to try to guess the meaning of our word, and then we'll actually check the definition with our word list that you guys will be working on throughout the week. Our first word is lying. This dog is lying down. It is stretched out on the floor. Okay, so we've learned that some words in our English language have multiple meanings. They can mean more than one thing. And lying is a perfect example. Lying could mean not telling the truth. But in this case, when we read the text around the word, we see it's being used in a different way. Stretched out on the floor, these clues help me understand that lying actually means being stretched out on the floor or lying down on the floor. Lying's definition that you will be studying this week is stretched out on the ground, lying. So always remember, our tricky language, words can have more than one meaning. So it's important that we can use context clues as readers so we understand how a word is being used in the text we're reading. Loyal is our second word. Dogs are usually loyal pets. They stick by their humans, friends. Okay, so the word stick by here. If you stick by someone, that means you're loyal. Okay, so those are clues. Loyal means sticking by someone. The actual definition we're going to be learning is loyal is firm in supporting someone. So to stick by someone or support them always. Loyal. Our next word is quiver. A dog has a strong sense of smell. Its nose may quiver or twitch when it sniffs. So here's our clue word or usually says or means we're about to get a synonym. So when I think about context clues here, the word twitch helps me understand that quiver and twitch, because I've got the clue word or here, quiver and twitch are like synonyms. So quiver means to twitch. The definition you will learn, to shake or tremble. Okay, so like to twitch your nose when they're smelling, like in our example. Okay, its nose may quiver or twitch. Okay, so all those words have similar meaning. Twitch, quiver, shake, tremble. So quiver means to shake or tremble. Patrol. When the police officer patrol, they watch over an area to make sure it's safe. Okay, so right here it kind of explains what patrol means in the second half of the sentence. Watch over an area to make sure it's safe. So patrol means to watch over an area. Well, that's my guess using the context clues here in the sentence. Let's check our answer. Patrol, walk through an area to watch it or guard it. Okay, to watch or guard. Like our example, they watch over an area to make sure it's safe. Partners. Many police officers have partners they work with daily. Okay, so if they work with daily, they're partners. That helps me guess that partners are somebody that you work with on a regular basis. Okay, partners. Two people who work together. Shift. A shift is a period of working time. A shift may be during the day or night. Okay, so again, here's my context clues. A shift is a period of working time. It basically explains or gives us the definition right there in the text. So a shift is a period of working time. The period of time a worker does his or her job is a shift. Some of your parents may work shifts, especially if they're nurses or police officers. Their shift is the period of time that they work. Ability. An ability is a special skill. Dogs have the ability to run fast. So again, they kind of explain the meaning of ability in the text. An ability is a special skill. Okay, the definition we're going to learn is skill. Snap. Never pet a strange dog without asking permission. It may snap at you. Okay, the picture here gives us a pretty good clue what snap means. But when you read the text, you kind of have to have some background knowledge here to help you with this one. It says, never pet a strange dog without asking permission. So if you have background knowledge or any experience at all with strange dogs, you may know that when you approach a strange dog that may not know you or be comfortable around you, they can bite at you or snap at you. Okay, so my background and knowledge kind of helped me with this word, snap. Okay, snap means to bite quickly. Alright, so now that we know our words, you guys are going to complete your vocabulary practice. Okay, match your words to the definition. At the bottom of the page, you're putting your words in alphabetical order. And on the back, you're going to complete a 4-square for the word quiver. And at the bottom, you're just finishing the sentences using the vocabulary word that would complete the sentence best. So real quickly, let's review what 4-square is. Remember, in the first square, we write the word. In the second square, we write the definition. Okay, the definition for quiver, if you remember, is to shake or tremble. So here we would write to shake or tremble. Okay, a synonym or antonym, or if you really want to impress your teacher, do both. Okay, just draw a line right down the middle. A synonym for quiver. Okay, if quiver means to shake or tremble, think back to our words in context. Okay, it said that the dog's nose may quiver or twitch. So twitch would be a synonym. Okay, or shake or tremble. Those all are words that have the same meaning. Remember, synonym are words with the same meaning. Antonyms are words with the opposite. So if quiver means to shake, tremble, twitch, those words all have similar meanings. The opposite of quiver would be something like steady. If you're steady, that's the opposite of quivering. Because steady means you're solid. You're not shaking, you're not trembling, you're just solid. Okay? So an example of the word, we usually use pictures in this box, okay? So what picture could you draw that's going to help you remember the meaning of the word? There's no right or wrong picture. The picture you draw should help you remember what quiver means. So if you want to draw a picture of the dog sniffing and his nose quivering, that's great, okay? But there may be a picture that makes more sense to you. Another picture you could draw that would help you remember what the word quiver means. So draw a quick sketch here to help you remember what this word means. And you're going to complete the bottom of the page by using your vocabulary words to complete the sentences.